Want more customers for your business? You need Google Ads. It's like a magic trick, but for getting more people to visit your website. Imagine this. Someone searches for best pizza near me on Google. Boom! Your pizza place pops up first. That's the power of Google Ads. It's like putting up a giant sign that only people who are already looking for what you offer will see. Pretty cool, right? Let's dive in and learn more. Google Ads is like online advertising, but smarter. It's a powerful tool that helps businesses reach potential customers right when they're searching for products or services you offer. You create ads that show up on Google when people search for things related to your business. These ads can appear on the search results page, on YouTube, and even on other websites that partner with Google. Think of it like a giant auction. Every time someone searches on Google, an auction takes place to determine which ads will appear. You bid on keywords, the words people type into Google. The more relevant your keywords are to the search, the better your chances of winning the auction. The higher you bid, the more likely your ad is to appear at the top. But it's not just about the highest bid. Google also considers the quality and relevance of your ad. But here's the best part. You only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. This is known as pay-per-click, PPC advertising. It's like getting free advertising until someone is interested enough to learn more. Plus, you can track the performance of your ads and adjust your strategy to get the best results. Why should you use Google Ads? Let me count the ways. First, it gets you more website visitors. More visitors mean more potential customers. Second, you're reaching people who are already interested in what you offer. Third, you can target your ads to specific locations, ages, and even interests. Talk about reaching the right people. Finally, it's measurable. You can see exactly how your ads are performing and make changes to get even better results. Section 4. Real-world success stories. Google Ads in action. In this section, we will explore how businesses are leveraging the power of Google Ads to achieve remarkable success. Don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into some real-world examples that showcase the effectiveness of Google Ads. Businesses, big and small, from various industries, are using Google Ads to crush their competition and achieve their marketing goals. Take, for instance, a local shoe store that used Google Ads to target people searching for running shoes in their city. They crafted a strategic ad campaign to reach their ideal customers. As a result, they saw a remarkable 30% increase in sales. This boost in revenue helped them expand their inventory and attract even more customers. Another example is an online clothing retailer that used Google Ads to promote their new summer collection. They designed eye-catching ads to capture the attention of fashion enthusiasts. Their efforts paid off as they experienced a surge in website traffic and sold out of their most popular items in record time. This success allowed them to reinvest in their business and launch new collections. These are just a couple of examples of how Google Ads can help your business grow. The possibilities are endless when you harness the power of targeted advertising. Ready to see what it can do for you? Start your Google Ads journey today and watch your business reach new heights. Section 5. Setting up your first Google Ads campaign. This is an essential step for any business looking to expand its online presence and reach more potential customers. Setting up your first Google Ads campaign is easier than you think. With a few straightforward steps, you can start driving traffic to your website and increasing your sales. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be on your way to creating a successful campaign. First, create a Google Ads account. It's free. Simply go to the Google Ads website and sign up using your Google account. Then, choose your target audience. Who do you want to see your ads? Think about the demographics, interests, and behaviors of your ideal customers. Next, select your keywords. What are people searching for when they're looking for products or services like yours? Use the Google Keyword Planner tool to find the best keywords for your campaign. Finally, set your budget and write your ad copy. Decide how much you're willing to spend each day and craft a message that will grab attention. Make it catchy and compelling. Review your ad to ensure it's clear and engaging. Once you're satisfied, launch your campaign and monitor its performance regularly to make necessary adjustments. Section 6. Optimize your ads. Get more clicks. Once your campaign is up and running, it's time to optimize. This means making small changes to improve your ad's performance. Use strong keywords in your ad copy. Highlight what makes your business unique. Use a clear call to action, like shop now or learn more. By constantly testing and tweaking your ads, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your investment.